Good day, traders. Bitcoin here from AltoX Capital, and I'm here with a quick update on the trade that we've seen playing out today on gold. Today is Monday, the 18th of August 2025, and as usual, I'm using the Spiral indicator, which is the tool that we're using here at AltoX Capital to trade the markets every single day. And as usual, this is not financial advice. We are simply doing this for training purposes only. That being said, let me quickly head over to the charts. But today I'm going to start on the whiteboard on the right side here. So if I can have your focus over there, so that I can explain how we took our sell trade today on gold, right? So what we are always looking for is our spiral arrows. And today we're looking at a trend reversal, right? I'm just gonna put it as trend reversal, like so. For example, if the market is pushing up and then you get an arrow here and price quickly turns around, remember our spiral arrows always come with these two white lines, which are our entry points, right? So I'm just going to write EP like that. So if this happens and price comes back to retest these two white lines, you'll be looking to take your sell and then have price come back down, and your TPs you can have them as price is going down or going lower, right? So that's exactly what we saw today on gold. So I'm just going to maximize the chart so that it's clear enough, right? So if you can see right over here, we actually had this let me just do it like this. We had this buy arrow right here at the during the London session, and then we had again another buy arrow right here, right? Let me just delete this one here. So we had a buy a spiral X buy arrow here and another spiral X buy arrow right there. But what you can see is that price quickly turned around, closing below these two white lines that you can see, these two white lines right here, right? And price without delay quickly moved off of this area here all the way down here. So what we were now looking for was to take a sell when price got back between these two white lines here, and our stop loss was definitely going to be above right around here. So in this case, I was actually waiting for the New York session because I wanted to be absolutely sure of my entries and what price was going to eventually do at market open, just as an extra buffer. And as you can see, that price actually did come back to try and retest here, but it couldn't touch these two white lines here. So I waited for the New York session, which started round about this one here, which is this vertical line that you're seeing right here. So as soon as I saw price printing this sell arrow right here and eventually printing another sell arrow right there, we took actually our entries right when price started closing below the arrow lows, right below the arrow lows, so which was somewhere around this 3344.33 area, and we saw ourselves plummeting down all the way to around about the let me see, the 3332 area, giving us a good 13 points on this particular move, which I'm still expecting price to possibly move a bit lower. It's just that there is no more volume in the market. So if you're still holding on to the trade, it would be a good idea to also take your profits. But remember, like I said, this is not financial advice. We're doing this simply for education purposes only. So that being said, if you're interested in this trading tool, do head over to altoxcapital.com and you can get it from there. Or you can simply message me on our social media platforms and I will be able to assist you. And don't forget to like, to share, subscribe. We would like to hear from you. That being said, happy trading and see you again soon. Cheers, bye.